Hey guys, sorry for the long wait. Back on the grind again, so I'm gonna start working on this 240. And today I want to drain out my fuel tank and see what's going on inside there. I haven't touched it for like 3 years, so let's see what's inside. Alright, so I'm gonna start working on this fuel tank. I don't remember if I put any fuel stabilizer in there. There's still fuel in there, but I'm gonna drain it out and see what's going on the inside and the condition, because I want to clean this up and we'll install it back on the 240. Some surface rust. It has a Walbro 255 inside, but I don't know. I'm gonna just put a new one in there so we don't have to deal with headaches. Surface rust on here, but we'll take care of that. Oh, it's hot. Yeah, all my grass, you can see a yellow spot right around here sometime during the summer. But check this out. It's pretty clean. I don't see any clumps. So definitely had fuel stabilizer in here. It's been 3 years since this thing was driven, so fuel stabilizer definitely doing its job. And I try to catch stuff in the strainer. I didn't see any clumps in there, any gelled up fuel. There's nothing, it's just like little debris, but fuel stabilizer doing its job. 3 years old fuel. Probably would run. I wouldn't run it though, but still can probably run it. It's looking clean inside, so we're good. Just gotta clean outside and good to go. I'm gonna pour out the rest of whatever's left inside and let the gas evaporate. We don't want any fumes in there before I put a grind into this, because I don't think an explosion would be a really good idea. So be back in a couple days.